Hey Pitmasters, what is up? Today we're grilling picanha. We've got a beautiful veal picanha, and I'm so curious of what this picanha tastes like because I've never had veal picanha before. Now I know veal tastes great. It's tender and it's lean. It's fantastic meat. But what does it taste like when it's cut like picanha? Only one way to find out. Let's open up this package. Look at the beautiful picanha. We got some fat on top. We got that nice and pink color from the veal. If we take a look at the top, we can see that we've got a fat cap here. But this part is all silver skin. We're gonna take that silver skin off, put your knife underneath and work your way all the way along that silver skin. Going to do the same here. There we go. Make an incision. Now we got the fat cap still on here. Now a small fat cap like this is not something you would typically see on a picanha from South America. But here in Europe it's very common to get your tafelspitze or startstuk, that's how we call it here, would look like with a little fat cap or maybe none at all. It still looks good and it still will taste amazing. We'll sprinkle some salt on our picanha. We'll season both sides. We'll only use salt and not pepper as the pepper will burn. We'll place our picanha over indirect heat and let it come up to temperature. We'll close the lid on our Kamado Joe Big Joe. So the idea that I had was making a sauce with a reduction of veal fond and then adding butter and cream to it. Always a winner, right? But guess what? No butter, no cream. Now I have two options. One, no sauce. Two is make a sauce anyway and make it with what I've got. Why are you filming my ketchup? You're already spoiling the secret. Now don't run all down below to the comment section and start screaming and yelling. Let me finish the sauce first.
But you're the one that's living in the middle of nowhere, whereas there's no supermarket.
No supermarket, nothing in the fridge yet. It's horrible. Horrible might be exaggerating, but at this moment it feels like horrible, yeah. I can't walk to the supermarket and say, hey Morrison, get me some butter. Doesn't work like that here. So we'll start by slicing fine some fresh garlic. Chop fine a shallot. Put our pan on the grill over direct heat. Drizzle in a little bit of olive oil. Add the shallots and the garlic. When the garlic and onions soften up, we're going to add the fond and let it reduce by 1/3. We measured the core temperature of our picanha and we reached the temperature of 54 degrees Celsius. So we're taking it off the grill and letting it rest. What a beautiful thing.
It looks so different than normal picanha.
I can tell you it tastes good. It does look a little bit different because we got a much lighter color, and when you get the smoke and the barbecue flavors on top of that, it kind of looks cool. Now don't start eating it just yet. We need to still sear it off. We'll put it over our hot cast iron grill grate. Be careful for all the flames that are bursting out of the grill. Ready! Time to slice into it. We can clearly see that our grain is running in this direction. So that's the way we're going to slice it up. Oh boy. Wow, this is so weird. It looks like it's overcooked. Look, it looks like it's gray and overcooked. But actually it's not. We measured the temperature, it's not overcooked, and you can see how juicy it is. It's nowhere near overcooked. But the color of the veal makes it look like it's overcooked. Let's slice into it because we need to try. What a punishment.
Not dry?
Not at all. Yeah. Now my initial thought here was, okay, we're gonna make picanha, but we gotta do something with it. We got two options. It's veal, so either we're going to fry it. That's right, fry it. So we will make it like schnitzel. And the other option was make it Saltimbocca, because they use chicken, but they also use veal for that. So that's what I thought. This is more appropriate to go with Saltimbocca. So we're going to pin it up and roll it up with a little bit of prosciutto and sage. So what we're going to do is we're going to take a slice of prosciutto, put in a leaf of sage, layer on our picanha, and then roll it up. Now this is a fair warning for those of you who can't bear to see. We're going to put some ketchup in our sauce. Dun 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 dun. Stir it up. Smells good though. This is a traditional Italian sauce with ketchup. Mwah! Bellissimo.
I'm not sure if they would agree.
I think I just pissed off half of the Italian barbecue community. What? What did you expect, Morrison? You expect me not to put bango in it? Yeah, here we go. Good. It could use a little bit of butter, maybe a little bit of cooking cream, but it's not bad. It's not bad at all. Put your hand out.
The ketchup flavor,
Yeah?
is gone.
Yeah, it's gone. We just put in a little bit and the sauce became sweet because of it, and then there's also a little bit of acidity in the end, and that works really well with our sauce. And I bet you it works well with our Saltimbocca veal version, picanha style. So let's try it together. Let's slice into this. Look at that. That looks crazy. Pinwheel with a little bit of our sauce. I said green stuff. Why do you say stuff like that? That's flavor. There we go. More you need to try. Look, we already got one parasite eating here. Is it good? Now you have to try, Marshall. Saltimbocca, veal picanha style. That tasty or what? You see how the sauce really blended well with the veal? It's not like you taste the ketchup or anything. It just is a little bit of acidity that is in the sauce. You definitely taste the garlic. But there's mainly the prosciutto from the pork, of course, and you have the sage. They are predominant in all the flavor. Well, to me this is a dish that turned out great, even though Marcel forgot half the ingredients. I'm just trying to blame it on Marcel. Actually, it was my fault, so I do apologize for that. I still hope you guys enjoyed the recipe. It's still a good recipe. I want to thank you guys for watching. Give me a big thumbs up if you like the recipe. Leave me a comment down below if you think it needs a little bit of changing. I want to say a special thank you to all of our YouTube members and our patrons. Hope to see you guys next time. Until then, eet smakelijk and keep on grilling.